Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sidik Satriatama. I'm from Information System UPN Veteran Jatim. I want to explain to you about reported speech atau pidato laporan, kata-kata laporan. Anak bought a second-hand car from a man who seemed honest. He said it was a good car. He told me he had it for 2 years. He took it had a new engine. Ana membeli mobil bekas dari seorang laki yang kelihatannya jujur. Laki-laki itu mengatakan itu mobil yang bagus. Laki-laki itu mengatakan kepada Ana bahwa dia sudah memilikinya selama 2 tahun. Dia pikir itu punya masih memiliki mesin yang seperti baru. Step 1. Uses of reported speech. Penggunaan reported speech. We often report what other person said, but we don't use exactly the same words. This is called reported speech or indirect speech. Kita sering melaporkan perkataan orang lain, tapi kata-kata tersebut tidak sama. Itu disebut sebagai reported speech, kata-kata laporan, atau indirect speech, kalimat tidak langsung. Contohnya, direct speech, kalimat langsung, it is a good car. Reported speech-nya, kalimat laporannya, he said it was a good car. Selanjutnya, I have had it for 2 years. Reported speech-nya, kalimat laporannya, he told me he had it for 2 years. We often leave out that after the reporting verb. Kita sering mengabaikan hal setelah kata pelaporan, kata kerja pelaporan. Ini ada contohnya, he said it was a good car. Di bawahnya he said that it was a good car. Setelah kata kerja yang di bawah ada that-nya, dan itu lebih formal daripada yang tidak ada that-nya, kurang formal, less formal. Selanjutnya, we can use both say and tell as reporting verb. If we mention we were talking to, we use tell plus indirect object. Me, him, the man, and then sir. We don't put to before the indirect object. Kita bisa menggunakan say atau tell dalam kata kerja laporan. Jika kita menyebutkan siapa yang kita ajak bicara tersebut, kita menggunakan tell plus indirect object. Janganlah kita menaruh kata tersebut sebelum indirect object. Contohnya di bawah, he told me was a good car, not he told to me it was a good car. If we don't mention we were talking to, we use say. Di sini he said it was a good car, not he said me it was a good car. Check question 1. Change to reported speech. It is not expensive. Reported speech-nya, he said it was not expensive. Number 2, it is got a good radio. Reported speech-nya, he told her it had a good radio. Change to direct speech. He said it had new tires. Direct speech-nya, it got new tires. Number 4, he told her it was very reliable. Direct speech-nya, it is very reliable. Step 2, how verb form change in reported speech. Bagaimana bentuk kata kerja mengubah pidato yang dilaporkan. He said he had never had any problem with the car. He bought it from old lady. He told me he was not selling it because he wanted to. He had been hoping to keep it, but his company had give him a new car. Promised that he would send me all the papers. He said I was not going to regret buying the car. Dia mengatakan dia tidak pernah memiliki masalah dengan mobilnya. Dia membelinya dari wanita tua. Dia bilang dia tidak menjualnya karena dia ingin mobil tersebut. dia berharap untuk menyimpannya, tetapi perusahaannya telah memberinya mobil baru. Dia berjanji akan mengirim kepada saya semua kertas. Dia bilang aku tidak akan menyesal memberi mobil tersebut. If the reporting verb is in the past, he said, he told me the verb in reported speech usually change. It goes back one tense into the past. Jika reporting verb itu di masa lalu, maka kata kerja dalam reported speech biasanya berubah. Contohnya reported speech present simple-nya di reported speech di present simple, dari speech-nya past simple. Contohnya it is a good car, direct speech-nya he said it was a good car. Di reported speech-nya present continuous, dari speech-nya past continuous. Contohnya I'm not selling it, past continuous, he told me he was not selling it. Past simple, my company gave me a new car. Berubah direct speech menjadi past perfect, he said his company had given him a new car. Lalu selanjutnya past continuous berubah menjadi past perfect continuous. Contohnya I was hoping to keep it. Past perfect jadi dari speech-nya he said he'd been hoping to keep it. Selanjutnya present perfect berubah menjadi past perfect. I have never had any problem with the car. Berubahnya menjadi he said he never had any problem with car. Note that a verb in the past simple in direct speech can stay the same in the reported speech. Perlu kita ingat bahwa kata kerja past simple in direct speech dapat sama in reported speech. Contohnya I bought it from two old lady. He said he bought it from an old lady, or he had bought. Note that if we use the past perfect in direct speech, we use the same tense in reported speech. Perlu kita ingat, jika kita menggunakan past perfect in direct speech, kita menggunakan tenses yang sama di reported speech-nya. Contohnya, when I bought the car, I had only done 10,000 miles. He said the car had only done 10,000 miles. Check question 2. Change to reported speech. Rubahlah ke dalam reported speech. It always starts first time. Reported speech-nya he said atau he told her, it always start first time. Number 2, it does not use much petrol. Reported speech-nya he said atau he told her, it did not use much petrol. Number 3, I have taken it to France a couple of times. Reported speech-nya he said atau he told her he had taken it to France a couple of times. Number 4, I will take you for a ride in it. Reported speech-nya he said atau he told her he will take her for a ride in it. Next, step 3, modal verb in reported speech. Kata kerja modal dalam reported speech. He told me the car should not give me any trouble. It ought to last for years, he said. I could ring him if I had any problems, although we might not be at home. He told me I must pay him as soon as possible. Dia mengatakan kepada saya, mobil itu seharusnya tidak memberi saya masalah. Itu harus berlangsung selama bertahun-tahun. And direct speech, he told me I must pay him as soon as possible. Okay. Direct speech, ini yang dirubah ya. Direct speech and reported speech. Direct speech-nya kan berubah menjadi reported speech-nya dari call. Contohnya, you can ring me if you have any problem. Jadi he said I could ring heard if I had any problem. May berubah menjadi might. I may not be at home berubah menjadi he said he might not be at home. Note that the verb would, could, should, might, and ought to don't change in reported speech. Perlu kita ingat bahwa kata kerja would, could, should, might, and ought tidak dirubah dalam reported speech. Contohnya, the car should not give you any problem. Reported speech-nya tidak berubah ya. He said the car should not give me any problem. Dan lagi, it ought to last 4 years. Reported speech-nya kata kerjanya, verbnya tidak berubah. He said it ought to last 4 years. Must either stay the same in reported speech or change to had to. Must is more common. Jadi dalam reported speech itu harus bersifat umum. You must pay me as soon as possible. He told me I must or had to pay him as soon as possible. Check question 3. Change to reported speech. You can pay me cash or give me a cheque. Answer. He told her she could pay him cash or give him a cheque. Number 2. You must phone me is there as possible problem. Answer. He told her she must or had to phone him if there is a problem. Number 3. You should use unleaded petrol. Answer is he told her she should use unleaded petrol. Next, step 4. Other change in reported speech. Perubahan lain dalam speech yang dilaporkan. He said his name was Liam and he wanted for the car. I gave him 1,000. Said I would give him the rest the following day. The next day the car would not start to I rang him. The woman who answered said Liam had left the day before. Then the police rang me and said the car did not belong him. He had stolen it the week before. They also said the real owner wanted his car back that day. Dia mengatakan namanya adalah Liam dan dia ingin 1.250 untuk mobilnya. Saya memberinya 1.000. Aku berkata akan berinya istirahat pada hari berikutnya. Keesokan harinya mobil tidak menyala, jadi saya meneleponnya. Wanita yang menjawab mengatakan Liam telah pergi sehari sebelumnya. Kemudian polisi menelepon saya dan mengatakan mobil itu bukan miliknya. Dia telah mencarinya seminggu sebelumnya. Mereka juga mengatakan pemilik sebenarnya menginginkan mobilnya kembali hari itu. The pronouns kata ganti I, we, me, densra, and possessive adjective kata sifat possessive my, our, and densra also change in reported speech and direct speech. Reported speech-nya my name is Liam. Direct speech-nya he said his name was Liam. The following words also change in reported speech. Kata-kata yang berubah dalam reported speech. This berubah menjadi that. Contohnya there nobody called Liam at this address berubah menjadi she said there was nobody called Liam at that address. Tomorrow berubah menjadi the following day. Yesterday berubah menjadi the day before. Last week berubah menjadi the week before. The previous week. Today berubah menjadi that day. Not also these change yang tidak benar dalam yang berubah juga. Next week atau next month berubah menjadi the following week or month. Now berubah menjadi then. This morning or evening berubah menjadi that morning or evening. tonight menjadi that night, 3 days ago berubah menjadi 3 days before. Check question 4. Change to reported speech. I first met Liam 2 days ago. She said she first met Liam 2 days before. 2 days ago berubah menjadi 2 days before dalam reported speech. I got the money at the bank this morning. She said she got the money out of the bank that morning. And number 3, you must return the car to the owner next weekend. Berubah menjadi the police said she must or had to return the car to owner the following weekend. Okay, next step 5. Reported speech when the situation still exists. Kata laporan yang situasinya masih sama. And now I have spoken to a lawyer and he says he will see me next week, but he doesn't think I will never get my money back. But my brother said he will find Liam and get the money. Dan sekarang saya sudah bicara dengan seorang pengacara dan dia bilang dia tidak akan menemui saya minggu depan, tapi dia tidak berpikir saya akan mendapatkan uang saya kembali. Tapi saudara saya mengatakan dia akan menemukan Liam dan mendapatkan uang saya tersebut. Note that words and process in direct speech don't change in reported speech if it's still the same day or week. Perlu diperhatikan bahwa kata atau frasa dalam direct speech tidak berubah dalam reported speech jika itu dalam hari yang sama atau minggu yang sama. Contohnya direct speech, I will see you next week. Reported speech-nya, he say he will see me next week. It is still this week when the reports that what the lawyer said. If the reporting verb is in the past but the situation still exists, we can keep the same tenses. Jika reporting verb dalam masa lampau dan situasinya masih sama, kita membutuhkan tenses yang sama. Contohnya, I will find Liam and get the money. Menjadi my brother said he will find Liam and get the money. The brother is still looking for Liam when she say this. If the reporting verb is the present, future, or present perfect, the tense of the verb in reported speech doesn't change. Reporting verb dalam present or future or present perfect, tensesnya tidak berubah dalam reported speech. Contohnya direct speech, you will never get your money back. Reported speechnya, he say I will never get my money back. Okay, check question 5. Change to reported speech. I have lost 1,000. Anna still has not got her money back. Answer, she said she lost 1,000. Number 2, I don't think I will buy another car. She say that does not think she will buy another car. Okay, thank you. I'm sorry if any problem with me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.